What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am pleasantly surprised that what I predicted yesterday that came true during my ride. Pretty happy about the way India played. The pitch is a rank turner. According to my prediction, go beyond the 4th day, if not earlier. Well, today I will not be able to do 40-50 kilometers, which was my target, so that I could finish the weekly target of 150. What I've understood is I need to do at least 2 rides during the week and just keep 1 ride during the weekend. Now this week what happened is I was too lazy during the weekend, did only 1 ride because yesterday I went for a ride. Today I am like totally exhausted. From Indranagar I have come to Koramangala, so I plan to go via Dairy Circle and reach Lal Bagh. From Lal Bagh connect to Jayanagar and then to JC Road. Hopefully this stretch will give me at least 30 kilometers. Seem to have taken a wrong turn, but it's okay. I can end up doing at least 2-3 kilometers more. By the way, yesterday almost at the end of the ride I had a flat, but the best part is because I'm on my hardtail, the last 7-8 kilometers I rode with a flat tire to reach home. And one more thing, as you might have noticed, I'm using a lot of my hardtail these days. That's because I have excruciating pain at the side of my feet. That is due to the cleated shoes that I wear. It just jams my feet up, so I'm waiting for the pain to reduce so that I can take my other bike out. So I've entered the Cubbon Park. It's very lively on a Sunday. There is a full day dog park that is open. I'm heading to the dog park right now. In fact, you can see a lot of dogs already. So on the right side is the dog park. It actually picks up post 9, it's just 8 AM now. This park gets to life on Sunday. You have a lot of skaters, you have a lot of amateur cyclists. In fact, I should bring my dog more often to this park, but unfortunately because of my rides I'm just not able to bring her here. I have reached the ITC hotel. Frankly, it's just 10.5 kilometers from Indranagar, but round and round I have done around 38 kilometers. It's time to head back. Peace. See you guys. So today feeling very sluggish. So 2 things I did to motivate myself to get up and go riding. One, for some reason I put on drum and bass music on to pump me up, and 2, just went around 3 parallel roads in Indranagar. There is your 100 feet road, 80 feet road and C.V. Raman Nagar, and also inside DRDO. So that itself fetched me around 15 to 20 kilometers. So that is a good way to pump yourself to kickstart, because I have to do at least a minimum 40 today. So let's see how it goes. it's still pretty cold out here. It's almost 7:30 now, and surprisingly still the sun is not out. I'm very excited today to watch the second test between India and England. I mean, imagine one full day worth of watching. Which other sports can you watch one full day? And the same thing repeats for 5 days. So for all the 5 days you're occupied. And even people who have work, they can just, because most of them are working from home, just switch on the TV, mute it, and you keep doing your work. I mean, who would have thought this 1 year ago that this would be your working atmosphere? India needs to win this test because we do not know how India plays against the pink ball in the next match in Ahmedabad, and that's going to be a new spectacle. New stadium, the biggest stadium in the world, and Rohit Sharma has to fire. This big score is due. I hope he fires. So right now I am entering the Old Airport Road. So now that I've covered 20, I think once I go around Golf Course Road and come back, I would touch minimum 40. Entered the museum road. I'm just trying to take a detour and push as much as I can so that I could do 40 plus. Currently doing a round around Kantirava Stadium. This would give me an extra 2 or 3 kilometers. Every kilometer counts, as I plan to stretch beyond 40 kilometers for today. I believe until you're really sluggish, once you get up and you're on the road, make full use of it. You never know, tomorrow you might be lazy and be sleeping. So once you are up, make full use of it.